Hey guys, my name is Jordan and I'm about to take you on a personal tour of this fabulous mid-rise Broadstone Evoque. And welcome to Plano's premier apartment community, Broadstone Evoque. With up to 3-bedroom apartment homes, you'll find luxury finishes and amenities that will turn anyone into a homebody. And if not, we're tucked away, but we're not too far away. We're just 12 minutes from downtown Dallas, and we have direct access to Preston Road and George Bush. Some of the featured apartment amenities here at Broadstone Evoque are the sparkling quartz countertops and the side-by-side refrigerators with ice makers. These apartments are perfect for you entertainers. Not only do you have tons of counter space to host dinners for all of your friends, but you also have built-in Sonos speakers that will really set the mood. They really thought about everything. They even have this Nest thermostat that you can adjust from your phone. Here at Broadstone Evoque, you will love all of the storage. I mean, check out these oversized closets. If you're a fashionista, you will definitely have enough space to fit all of your fashions. And check out these linen closets here. That is definitely something that I look for when shopping for an apartment, is what storage I have in my bathroom. You have amenities full of entertainment. Here in this courtyard alone, you have foosball, a putting green, and even cornhole. And my favorite feature here at Broadstone Evoque is a 70,000-gallon water swimming pool. You have 2-in-1 here at Broadstone Evoque. You have a lap pool if you want to get your fitness on, and you also have a lounge area if you're looking to get some sun. The two are separated by this gorgeous water feature. And as you can see, here at Broadstone Evoque, you will have non-stop entertainment. If you want to schedule your private tour, click on the link below. But as for now, I think I'm going to stay for a while and lounge here.